Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started.
Ditch the cords and unleash your polishing power with this battery-operated dual-action polisher. This tool offers the freedom of cordless operation for various polishing jobs where mobility is key. Choose between random orbit with forced rotation for powerful correction or free spin rotation for finer polishing. This versatile polisher delivers high power comparable to corded models for tough correction tasks, while a lower power setting maximizes runtime for extended polishing sessions. The cordless design eliminates the frustration of tangled cords and prevents accidental scratches on delicate surfaces. A high-capacity BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, resulting in a cooler running, more efficient motor with a longer lifespan. Variable RPM and OPM settings offer precise control for any application. Get this handy tool on Amazon now, making your polishing easier than ever. Achieve unmatched precision and durability with this exceptional level. Featuring break-resistant acrylic block focus files with enhanced contrast and impressive 60% magnification, taking accurate readings is effortless, even from a distance. A built-in luminous backing strip ensures clear visibility in low-light conditions, eliminating guesswork. Rugged, shock-absorbing end caps with an anti-slip surface provide superior protection against impacts and prevent unwanted sliding. The ergonomic, rigid aluminum profile maximizes stability for precise measurements on any surface. Plus, the advanced focus vial fluid is unaffected by electricity, resists fading from prolonged sunlight exposure, prevents bubbling from shocks, and maintains its accuracy across a wider temperature spectrum than standard-level vials, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. Are you getting ready to install new vinyl, laminate, or engineered wood flooring? The Marshalltown Ultra-Light 9-inch floor saw is an indispensable tool. This handy saw cuts cleanly and precisely on materials up to 9 inches wide, 12 millimeters thick, and has a Janka hardness of 1200. Weighing just 14 pounds, this machine is extremely portable, allowing you to work directly where you need to cut without having to move back and forth between saw blades. Plus, it operates without dust, noise, or electricity, making it a clean and convenient option. Designed for ease of use, the Ultra-Light features an integrated handle for comfortable one-handed holding, and you can rest assured knowing that this product is made in the USA with global materials. Get it in your handy toolbox with a passion for DIY tools. Click the link or subscribe to our channel to see more of our great products. The Miles C D9 Pro Laser Distance Meter is a game-changer for accurate measurement. Features unique bilateral laser reference lines. Using an advanced integrated laser module, it projects perfectly aligned double lines, providing a crystal-clear visual guide for horizontal, vertical, or even tilted alignments. Measuring hard-to-reach spots? The D9 Pro's cutting-edge P2P function lets you effortlessly measure the distance between any 2 points from a single location. The companion Smart Life app takes things even further. Simply drag and drop your measurements directly onto hand-drawn plans or uploaded photos, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. You can also export data for PC use, share plans with clients, or create spreadsheets for future projects. With a state-of-the-art 360-degree angle sensor and a live rotation angle display, the D9 Pro provides real-time feedback for precise angle measurements on any surface. Plus, it boasts an impressive 14 measuring functions, catering to both basic and advanced needs for professionals and DIYers alike. Ideal for interior design, home decor, renovations, and short-distance outdoor tasks, the D9 Pro handles it all. A carpenter pencil that actually works. This mechanical pencil is a game-changer. The holster is fantastic. It clips securely to my pocket, belt, or apron, and the rounded design makes it easy to drop the pencil in without snagging. The cap stays on securely, a huge plus compared to other pencils where it constantly pops off. The built-in sharpener gives a nice sharp point without excessive breakage. The lid advances smoothly and doesn't slip, which is crucial for accurate marking. One of the best features is the thin end tube. It lets you mark in tight spaces and deep pockets with ease. Plus, the lead can extend quite far, so you can mark in even the smallest holes. The round barrel means it can roll off surfaces a bit easier than a square pencil. But the roll stop helps. Hultiforce ink cartridges are said to be convenient. Overall, if you need a reliable and well-designed mechanical carpenter pencil, the Pica Dry is the way to go. Keeping your knives razor sharp can be a chore, but the Work Sharp sharpening system makes it easy. This sharpener offers guided sharpening at 20 or 25 degrees, or you can remove the guides for freehand sharpening. It uses a clever three-sided abrasive system with coarse and fine diamond plates to quickly restore dull edges and a fine ceramic stone for that extra sharp finish. What's really cool is how the abrasive follows the curve of the blade, ensuring consistent contact and excellent results. You can even lock it to create a rigid surface for sharpening other tools. Need different angles? Optional 15 and 17 degree guides are available. Plus, replacement abrasives mean this sharpener is built to last. Work Sharp stands behind their products with a solid warranty. If you value sharp knives and quality tools, this is worth checking out. Deck building just got a whole lot easier. The drive tool from CAMO is a game changer. Whether you're fastening edges, using clips, or face fastening, this tool works on any deckboard surface. The big win? You can install decking up to 5x faster all while standing up. No more aching back from bending over all day. This tool is designed to work exclusively with CAMO collated edge deck screws, CAMO Edge clips, and CAMO collated face deck screws, ensuring a secure and professional finish. Built for contractors, it's fast, reliable, and comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. This cordless stand-up tool attaches easily to your drill and includes 3 quick change fastening guides for added convenience. If you're looking to speed up your deck projects and save your back, the CAMO Drive is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Let me tell you about this awesome oscillating multi-tool blade set. It's got 55 pieces, including 2 distinct saw blade types, which makes it incredibly versatile for tackling all sorts of cutting tasks. What's really impressive is the thoughtful design. The variety of tooth sizes and shapes makes cutting not only efficient, but also surprisingly comfortable. You can really feel the difference in how it handles. And these aren't flimsy blades either. They're made from tough, high-quality, thick-gauge, high-carbon steel and bimetallic alloy steel, treated with some special process that makes them super durable and long-lasting. You can tell they're built to withstand some serious use. Plus, it's designed with a universal interface, so it works with over 95% of oscillating tools out there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you run into any issues after buying, don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to help. Building a deck, framing a wall, or tackling a fencing project? This pneumatic nailer is a real workhorse. The hardened steel drive blade means this tool is built to last, resisting damage even under heavy use. Plus, it's designed to prevent those frustrating empty fires, which also protects the internal parts. Switching between single sequential firing and bump firing is a breeze thanks to the dual mode trigger. Need to adjust the nail depth? Just turn the depth adjustment wheel by hand, no tools required. This helps prevent damage to your work and ensures clean, professional results every time. This nailer is also designed with user comfort in mind. It reduces fatigue during long jobs and improves nail placement accuracy. A handy feature lets you direct the air exhaust away from your face. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient pneumatic nailer for a variety of projects, this is a solid choice. Need a versatile work surface that can keep up with your projects? The Works Pegasus is more than just a garage workbench, it's a portable powerhouse. It pops open for quick setup, folds down compactly for easy storage, and is light enough to carry comfortably. This clever design seamlessly switches between a workbench and a sawhorse. From hefty lumber to heavy equipment, the Pegasus can handle it. Need even more space? Connect it to other work support tables like the Sidekick or clamping sawhorse. They're all compatible. With a 31-inch by 25-inch surface and a 32-inch working height, it's perfect for everything from staining and woodworking to painting and repairs. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, this workbench is built to last, yet weighs only 30 pounds for easy transport. It also comes with two 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs to secure oddly shaped items. Plus, a built-in measuring guide means no more hunting for a ruler. The Pegasus is a truly handy addition to any workspace. Looking to add some texture to your walls or ceilings? The Wagner PowerTex paint sprayer is designed to do just that. It's built for applying textured finishes to all sorts of surfaces, and it comes with interchangeable nozzles to help you achieve different looks. Setting it up is a breeze. Just attach the air turbine to the spray gun, pop the 1-gallon hopper on top, and choose your nozzle. That's it. The hopper can be easily adjusted for spraying walls or ceilings, and the 3-point stand keeps it stable when you set it down. Plus, there's a built-in armrest for added comfort during those longer projects. One of the best features is the built-in air turbine. This means you don't need a separate compressor or air hose, making it much more convenient and portable than some other sprayers. Whether you're after the classic popcorn ceiling, a subtle knockdown texture, or the distinctive orange peel effect, this sprayer has you covered. It's a great all-in-one solution for adding texture to your home.